India is top IT outsourcing destination in 2022. Everything you must know. Jeff Bezos has said, "I predict that the 21st century is going to be the Indian century." Why is India popular for IT outsourcing? India has the largest technical and professional talent pool in the world. Top reasons to choose India to outsource your next project. Affordable development cost. The average app development price in India is 40% of America's average cost. The average developer price in India is 30 to 100/hour. Skilled and trained developers. India produces 200,000 software graduates every year, skilled in major programming languages. No communication barrier. India has the largest non-native English-speaking community. Thus, you can easily communicate your requirements with Indian developers. Reduce process time. You can save time on hiring in-house developer teams. It ensures to meet deadlines and deliver the best quality solutions. Improved quality and security. They have dedicated testing teams to detect vulnerabilities. Team with diverse technical experience to infuse required safety measures. How to outsource your IT project to India. Find the providers in your niche. Decide on processes to outsource. Partner with reliable IT outsourcing company. Invest in right communication tools. Want to outsource your next project to experts? Connect with ValueCoders.